Take a look at this 2004 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This Silverado 2500 HD has just under 148,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter turbo engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, satellite radio, tow package and driver airbag. Call 801-763-0900 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.